G'day! In today's video I'm just going to go over the benefits of dual channel memory. This laptop here isn't overly powerful, isn't overly great, but it does have 16 gig of RAM in single channel mode. The main game that gets played on here is Scum. Right now we're averaging about 40 to 50 FPS in an open field, doing virtually nothing. I'm curious to see what this would be when it's under combat. If I hit Control-Alt-Delete, which I'll do just now, Control-Alt-Delete, and bring up the Task Manager. Let's check out the utilization. So CPU is at 60, RAM is at 53%, and GPU utilization is at basically flat out at 97%. We're a GTX1650 with an i5-11300H and 16 gig of RAM. Curious to see that if we dump in some more RAM and have this running in dual channel mode, will this make much difference? Being that right now, it says we're using 53% of RAM, we've got shared GPU memory, which is 7.9 gig, so I'm curious if that's sharing that. So if I just have a quick go over here and look around, 50 FPS, looking over in a field, getting closer to probably 40 FPS there. Let's dump in another 16 gig and see what happens. So extra RAM's now installed. As you see, we have now 32 gig of RAM. It's using 9.5, slightly higher than what I think it was getting before. Weirdly, the Intel Iris graphics is working. I don't know what it's doing. Still at 100%. Shared GPU memory, 16 gig rather than 8, none of which it's being utilized. Weirdly, it's not really utilizing any more of the dedicated RAM. I don't know. Processor is maxed, but RAM utilization is not. Oh, VRAM utilization. And memory, it's using a little bit more than what it was before. But where does it matter? Frame rate. And on this particular game, it's made virtually no difference right now. It may in dense areas, but right now this frame rate here, it's not really any noticeably better than where we already were. I think it wasn't maxing out VRAM or just dedicated RAM. Doesn't really make too much of a difference. So there's one machine that's not really benefiting from dual channel memory, mainly because I think it's more so the bottleneck being the GTX1650 in this machine. Anyway, just a quick video, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.